What's up everybody, welcome back to another crypto related video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how you can go and start copying trades using a Telegram bot. To do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow these quick steps I will show you guys in this video. For today's video we'll be using this Trojan bot on Telegram. Make sure you guys use the right bot and avoid scam bots. For that I'll provide a link in the description for this bot. You guys can go and check it from there. These copy trading Telegram bots allows you to copy trade of a targeted wallet. Let's say you find a very profitable wallet, and what you can do is copy that wallet's address and put that in this Telegram bot, and it would automatically update you with all the buys and sales that person would make on that wallet. And here we'll be provided with a couple of options. And what we can do to copy trades, we can find this copy trade option. We'll go click on this. Now once we click on that, it will provide us with these options. Now to set up a new trade, we will go and click on this new icon. And now here there are a couple of options given to you guys. Now we gotta fill in these options, and the first thing is we need a targeted wallet. Now to find a targeted wallet, we can just head over to this website. Here I will just copy a random wallet address here, and we'll see how we can copy these person's trades. Now here we will click on this target wallet option, and we gotta paste in the address here. As you guys can see, my targeted wallet address is now added in here, and I can also provide it with a tag. For example, here I have given it random wallet tag. Now after we have done that, we will just head over and change the buy percentage according to your preference. For example, here you can click on this option and click on the buy percentage icon, and you can either type in the amount. Well, I will recommend you to type in a fixed amount of Solana you want to trade. It means that whenever your targeted wallet buys, you will buy one SOL, so that it's not too much or not too less, just a fixed amount. And you can also head over to the advanced option and make sure that exclude pump fund tokens is set to no. Now once you have done all that, the next and final step is to click on add. Once you click on add button, the process is complete, and now your copy trading bot is active. Well, that was it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.